What's up YouTube, Biz Matthew here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you all a property tour of a recent wholesale real estate deal. Before we go on, be sure to like this video, subscribe, turn on post notification bell and comment down below. Now, be sure to comment down below if you all have any questions about how I found this deal, the pricing, how much I was able to make. I'll link the video down below of my wholesale deal breakdown of this wholesale deal, and also how is your business doing? Ask me any questions down below. Like this video, keep on smashing that like button as we grow as a family, and subscribe. Okay, so I'm just gonna do a quick property tour because a lot of people don't show the type of properties that you can wholesale, and this is actually a decent property, but I'll just go around. I'll start from the front door and then we can go from there. All right, I know I don't want to show you all everything. So obviously this is the front door. So when you first walk in, as you all see, you have stairs going down, stairs going up. So we're gonna start first. So this was a property that some sellers were working on, but they didn't want to finish it. So the seller didn't want to deal with finishing the rehab, and all these materials will stay for my cash buyer, for my investor to finish up or to use it for other projects that he has. So this is the living room, family room area, good size. Look at these nice wood floors that they put in. The walls are painted and everything is basically done here, which is crazy. Like, I'm giving my cash buyer an amazing deal. So the kitchen is something that needs to be done. The electric and water is still on, so that's good. But look at all these materials, all the towels that they have that he can use for this kitchen, which is crazy. It's like he's getting a rehab kit at an amazing price. You know, it's good that I'm able to help the seller pay off her mortgage, give her so much cash in the bank. I get paid and my cash buyer wins. So it's always good when you win. So this is basically it. As you all see, you hear the refrigerator, electric is still on. So this is a nice 3-bed, 1-bath property with an unfinished basement that you can add a second bathroom to. So this is another room that needs to be done. You need to put a sink there, the toilet, and this tub shower thing. And the laundry is actually downstairs, closet and whatnot. So he only has to work on 2 rooms. So the only drawback is that they use different colors wood floors because they were out of this dark wood. So they had to use a lighter wood for the bedrooms. So these bedrooms are done. He may do something different with the windows, may replace them with more modern finishes, or just clean this off. And you just have a regular size closet, you know. But this room is done. And then you have here with more materials my cash buyer can use. Seems like there is, you know, different things that he can use here. Another closet. And then this is the 3rd bedroom. Closet right here, 2 windows here. My tripod, a drawer set, chest of drawer set, whatever you want to call it. And then you have a closet right here, central air and heat, which is amazing. So that's basically your top living area. We're gonna go down to the basement, check it out. All right, let me knock, make sure. Let me open the garage door first. All right, you all, so this is the garage area. So you can see the yard needs a lot of work, a ton of work being done on it right now. As you enter, this is the lower level. So you can use this as a garage, put wall up here, or do something else. As you can see, all of this will stay. And then you have a toilet right there. And they were working on putting the second bath right here, as you all can see. They actually put in this new wall actually here because they were having some leaking here. This is where the laundry's at. Another extra tub. So this could be a nice, you can add a 4th bedroom here and definitely add a 2nd bath to get as much value as you can. And then a closet. But I just want to show you all more yard. There's not much of a backyard here, to be honest. That's it right there. And then let's look at the front of the house. That's the property. That's the property, y'all. So these are the type of houses that you all can target. You're looking for properties to buy, to wholesale, to fix and flip, and different things like that. Be sure to, once again, subscribe, like this video, and comment down below. All right, you all, catch you all on the next one.